Not everyone is an artist, and you might want to create a logo for a business card, or you might want to create a greeting card or something where you might need a quick shape like a bear paw, or a lightning bolt, or a light bulb that you want to put into your artwork. Let me show you where the vector shapes live and how you can use them to do just that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create, first of all, a new layer just to fill it with a color, just so we have something to have some fun with and we can see in the background. So I'm going to click OK and fill that layer in, and I'll create a brand new layer on top of it. And this is where our shape's going to live. I'm going to go to the rectangle tool and go all the way to the bottom. It's a custom shape tool. And now what I can do with this tool is make sure I'm in paths mode here, and then go to this shape list, and I can grab the light bulb, for example. And what I can do is draw that light bulb out, and once I let go, I start drawing another light bulb. So what happens if I wanted to move the original light bulb? I'll undo that and grab the path selection tool, which lives right next to this range of tools. Now I can click on that path and move it around. I can also change the flow of these points by using the direct selection tool. And I'm also going to zoom in a little bit so we can see what we're doing. So once again, I'm on the direct selection tool, and now I'm going to click on this path, on this point, and move it around. Now something I want to show you, by the way. Let's say that you have, first of all, moved it around with the path selection tool. Take a look at these points. They're all filled in with white. So when you try to grab a point with the direct selection tool and click on and move it, well, why are you still moving the whole shape? Well, one of the things I find very useful is to click and draw outside of the shape and then draw a little marquee to grab one of the points here. Notice how they're now hollow, and the one I've selected is now filled in with black, or rather white. And I can move this around, and I can do the same thing. I can click on one now and move it around. So if you're having a difficult time going from this tool to the direct selection tool, just click and drag and grab a handful or one point, and then you can grab them both or one at a time to reshape this object. Once you're ready to then take this shape and give it a color, we have to turn it into a selection. So what we can do is go to the layer panel, and we can choose to go to the paths section here. And if you don't see paths, don't forget you can go to the window menu and choose paths. You can click on this icon right here, and what this will do is actually take this selection and load it as a selection. Now we can grab a color such as yellow, and you can fill it in with that color. You can also deselect it now, and you can do things like add blurs or whatever you like, because it is now considered regular artwork. So that is how you can use the vector shapes to create some artwork inside of Photoshop.